Christmas is over, and the bright lights and jingling bells have made way for gloomy fog, January sales, and exam results. Maybe you had the best Christmas of your life, or maybe like me, you spent most of it working retail. Either way, it's done with now, and it's time to head back to uni and survive the weird, limbo-like feeling that seems to weigh over January every year. January is statistically the hardest month, and the time when people are most likely to feel stressed, overwhelmed, or depressed, even more so than during exam time. So however you're doing, whichever new classes you're taking, whatever you passed or failed last semester, it's important to know that there are resources out there to help you into the new year. The university's disability service provides counselling and psychological services, various self-help resources, study support, and links to independent networks that can assist you if you're struggling. If you're not sure where to start, emailing your advisor of studies or dropping in to see them is a good shout. Alternatively, you can drop in to talk into the disability service directly in the Fraser building. It's right next to the library. You can also see a GP there if you're not registered with one already, at the Berkeley Medical Practice. January can be tough, but you're tougher. Be sure to take care of yourself as well as your studies. Spend time with your friends and eat well. See you on the other side.
Okay, now turn around. Guys, turn around. Guys, turn around. Okay, stand closer together like you actually like each other.
I don't get it.
So cool.
Check out the slush.
comes Santa.
You gotta tell truth in reporting. Look at the slush.
That's the truth,
That's bad. Authenticity.